Malaysia is a country located in Southeast Asia. It borders Thailand in the north and Singapore in the south. Its capital city is Kuala Lumpur. Many Asgardians live in Malaysia. Many of us reside in Kuala Lumpur and around. Over the last 2 years, we have had many meetups. We've met in emblematic places, tourist landmarks, shopping malls, and cafes, always in conjunction with our Asgardian calendar celebrations. For this Unity Day celebration, we wanted to find a place that would be both meaningful for what it represents for our nation and that would be at the same time educative and fun. Our Asgardian mayor-elect decided to organize that special meetup at the National Planetarium in Kuala Lumpur. And so, on June the 15th, we met there and we had quite some fun. The planetarium offers a lot of interesting explanation on physics and chemistry related and useful to know about space exploration, and shows a few nice pieces related to space aeronautics. Even the busts of some of the main actors of the actual space conquest. Some parts of the ISS have been reproduced, and a model of the ISS itself is on display here. If you wonder why, it's because in Malaysia we do have our own hero who went up there. His name is Dr. Sheikh Muzaffar Shukor, born in Kuala Lumpur, and he was part of the ISS Mission 16 in October 2007. He stayed up there only a few days, but became a symbol of hope for younger Malaysians aspiring to one day take a step out of our Earth. So that's why our planetarium has a lot to show, among which a reproduction of a Soyuz model, which our local Asgardians took pleasure to test by sitting in it, in a way that's like the experience, the awkward position that Dr. Shukor must have experienced at takeoff and landing. Among other exhibits, we learned about the Mars rover expeditions, seeing some reconstructed images, and even some replicas of the rover itself. And even if at the planetarium there is not at this time any zero-G chamber, we experienced some features of the ISS that have been reproduced there. As the Asgardian mayor-elect of Kuala Lumpur was unable to physically attend the meetup, a video call conference was initiated to bridge Asia to Europe and for the local Asgardians to receive the Unity Day greetings from Mr. Rossel. After he gave a short speech, there was a question and answer session that was very fruitful. Another meetup is scheduled to take place in Kuala Lumpur at the end of July. Will you be attending?
3, 2, 1. Happy Unity Day!
One humanity, one unity. Happy Unity Day to everyone.